Ooh, we got our hiss. We got our first hiss. I think it was Jeffrey. It's hard to tell with these two. Leroy's definitely instigating things. Although, I think Jeff's pretty into it at this point, too. This is why I think they, especially for Leroy's sake, they need to go to a home together, because if Leroy starts doing this to anyone except for Jeffrey, I think it could cause problems.
Yeah.
But I think Jeffrey's going to be able to... Oh, God. Look at his ears. To keep him in line. Yeah.
That's all I have to say about it.
Get him. Get him, Jeff. You gonna chase him off? Leroy's such a bully. Look. Phil's just sleeping.
I know.
I mean, Jeff was sleeping too when he came up to him.
I know, that's what he does. Haven't you seen him do this
He's just
before?
like a little fireball of energy. He's like, play with me, play with me, play with me.
Have you ever seen him whine at the screen when someone does it to him?
He's so cute. Jeff, did he interrupt your nap? Did he interrupt your nap, little guy? Did you beat him up and chase him off?